ReLive Greens. My name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I made this product. A lot of people take green products and a lot of people eat greens, but who is taking a product that has everything they need for their body to give them the aminos, the omegas, the vitamins, and the minerals that they need to support their body, making sure that the ingredients have not been affiliated with GMOs and different things that are in our environment that are negative. I made it because I really wanted every mother and every person to be able to take greens that could help the microbiome of the stomach and of the gut and of the heart and the brain. What do I mean by that? So your brain and your heart and your stomach are all connected. Adding a pre and probiotic to this was extremely important to me so that everything in the system could work and function in a perfect or a better way. We can't promise to cure anything, but I had had lots of different issues with my health as it pertained to cancer and Lyme disease and just different things. This product was a game changer for me. It really helped my body. It helped reset so that things could really support the way they should support and work more effectively. You see, negative cells in the body talk and they grow and they become really bad for your overall system. But if you can give your body the positive nutrients it needs, then you can support your overall health as you age. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a cellular age that's a lot younger than my actual age. And this is one of the products that really can support your body so that you can get to the root of the cause and make your body be the best it can be